Hello friends, Jason Smashpop here, and I'm currently in Shanghai for Appliances and Electronics World Expo 2026. It's my first time here and I'm so excited to check out all the cool gadgets. And I'll be covering the event for 2 days, but the location will be spread to 2 locations as well. So today we are at Expo and tomorrow will be at Eastern IP CZ. So I'll bring you through all the exciting things. Let's go! Okay, we're at Unitree's booth now and they are the leaders in humanoid robots. As you can see here, they have robots that can box just like human, and they have dogs that can do somersault and roll and do everything just like a dog. So the dog is actually called Go2 and the robot boxer is called the G1. They are so real, it's almost like human in robot form. Let's go and see more. So this is the Insta360 Ace 2 Pro. We know this thing, but do you know that this is actually co-engineered with Leica? And that also means the graphics, the visuals, the videos are all so much better than competitors. And one of the accessories they have is this thing, whereby they can turn the Ace 2 Pro into a proper camera. You can actually use this as a street photography camera like this. And speaking of taking photos, why not go all the way and print them as well? So the Ace 2 Pro, after you make it into a camera, you can also turn it into a printer. So this is a mobile printer that you can print photos that you take using the Ace 2 Pro. Now if you think Insta360 only makes 360 cameras, you're wrong, because it also makes cameras and also conferencing devices like this one. Is called the Insta360 Wave and also the Link. That also means this is actually a microphone that you can put in your meeting room or your conference room, and then paired with the camera here, you can actually do video conferencing with everyone from your meeting room. Now this is the flagship Insta360 camera and it's called the X5, okay? So this thing can actually shoot videos in 8K, so you get super high-res 360 videos, and you can also use it to take photos and amazing features all on this camera. Okay, so this is the Insta360 Connect, and what's amazing is that it has a gimbal inside this soundbar and also microphone device that it can actually track the face using AI. Like this now. Look, everyone is in view. It's crazy. Now, one of my favorite products from Insta360 is definitely the Go series. This is the Go Ultra, which is an action camera sort of that you can put at multiple angles because it is so small that you can actually stick it anywhere you want, and to create amazing perspective angles, you know, from all the different corners around the room or what. And because it is so portable, they actually made accessories for it. Like for example, this is a necklace. You wear it here and then you can actually stick this camera here and then you can just shoot your point of view, you know, and a lot more stuff that you can actually check with the Go series. Guys, if you think I'm at the Apple store, no, I'm at Lifen Home to check out all their hair dryers, their shavers, their toothbrush and more. Let's check out all these items. Okay, this might look like a Tesla Y, but it's actually Tesla YL, and that also means it's a 6-seater and it's also more comfortable. And you can manually change the suspension from the screen, and this is only available in China for now. This is the Tesla Model 3, and did you know that all Tesla Model 3 now is made in Giga China? So it's not made in the US anymore. And their factory here is actually the highest quality ever to produce Tesla Model 3. It's been 6 years and it's still the best-selling car under Tesla. And as you can see, everyone is very excited about the Cybertruck because it is not available here in China, and they are trying very hard to make it available here because apparently people in China loves crazy looking cars. So this is one of them. Did you know that Huawei makes beds now? So behind me is actually a smart bed that you can actually control the position based on your own posture, and it's also so smart using AI to detect how good is your sleep and also how good is your health after a long period of time. Huawei also makes air purifier. So this is the X5 Ultra, and as you can see here, it's actually kind of big, but you can actually change the filters. There are different types of filters, and their aim is to reduce the carbon dioxide in your living space. If you are looking for the latest tech in smart home, I think this is it. This is Huawei's air dryer, or whatever you call it. It's to dry your clothes in case you don't have a balcony or it's raining outside and you want to dry your clothes. This is what you should install at your balcony because it emits light. It also has wind to help you blow dry your clothes. In case you cannot see, the wind is actually blowing now. It's kind of warm wind, and you see, it is actually moving. So I'm not lying, okay? And I cannot believe that I get to catch a glimpse of Huawei's most luxury car in the world. Okay, so this is actually called the Maestro. And if you are into cars, you most likely have seen all the viral videos about this car here. So we're currently at the higher booth. It's actually not a booth, they took the whole hall. And we started off by looking at some of their new AI robots. These AI robots can help to do house chores or even take care of elderlies. Now, if you think of higher, you might think of their fridges, but they also do a lot of things like healthcare devices. Like these are smart beds that help patients, shower machines to help patients who cannot walk, and there are also other devices like wearables that can detect some illness and stuff like that. Here we can see a smart system that they installed to their living room TV, whereby they can also connect it to someone's smart glasses, and the smart glasses can actually interact with things in the living room and broadcast straight to the TV. Now, they also have systems that can be built into cars so that upon arriving to your house, you can use the system in your car to enable air conditioning, turn on lights and stuff like that. So that's really, really smart. So this is day 2 and I'm at Eastern Hub IPCZ. Let's go. Okay, so apparently this location, we need to climb this very steep uphill slope. And after like 15 minutes, we are still not there yet. Finally, guys. Okay, we're currently entering the LG AI portal. So basically what we saw just now, it's all AI aircon, you know, AI wall painting, whatever, AI TV, AI wallpaper creation on their TV, and also very thin screens now from LG. But the last thing I saw, it was so impressive. It's called the OLED T. Basically, it means transparent. So as you saw just now, the screen is transparent and it is super thin as well. Okay, so I just found this cute alarm clock that is also powered by AI, and it's also modular. Look. And you can stick it back. Okay, so currently I'm at a Hisense booth, and instead of looking at their TVs, I'm actually very interested in this companion toy, or like a robot that you can roll it around in your house. It can actually do two-way video conferencing. So, you know, you can just like that and say hi to your friends or whatever. You can also talk to it like a friend, and it can also take pictures, like just in case, you know, burglars enter your house. It can be like, hey, who are you? I take picture. Like that. Okay, so I'm currently inside this Zeekr 009, and Sony has actually installed one of their Bravia TVs here, paired with a Sony PlayStation controller. I think we are playing PlayStation here. This guy is playing non-stop. I'm just here as an audience. But the graphics looks really good, and I think their idea is they want to put entertainment or gaming at the back of your car so your kids or your family can actually play. Okay, so we are now at anti-gravity booth. This is their latest drone called A1. Okay, and it's very special because it's like a flying Insta360 camera that you can look anywhere you want, and the goggles is where you control where you want to record. So anywhere you look is where you're recording, and this is the joystick that you can actually control the movement. So for example, if you're flying to that side, you can actually record this side by just looking at the back. So it's really, really cool. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Hope you have enjoyed my tour. at the Appliance and also Electronics World Expo 2026 here in Shanghai. Let me know in the comments what are your favorite things to see in this video. What do you think of all these robots and AI and gadgets? And if you love videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the button below this video, share this with your friends, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo.